HSC टर्म्स एंड देयर डेफिनेशन। जी हाँ दोस्तों, इस वीडियो में आपको बताने वाला हूँ कुछ सेफ्टी रिलेटेड टर्म्स एंड उसके डेफिनेशंस। लेट्स सी। एक्सेप्टेबल एयर क्वालिटी, एयर इन विच देयर वाज नो कंटामिनेंट्स एट हार्मफुल कंसंट्रेशन एज डिटरमाइंड बाय cognizant authorities and where substantial majority of the people exposed do not express dissatisfaction. Audit, a systematic, independent and documented process for obtaining audit evidence and evaluating it objectively to determine the extent to which audit criteria are fulfilled. Auditor, a person who has qualified to an international standard or has demonstrable auditing experiences in conducting OSH audit. Biohazard, an agent derived from or that are living organisms, example viruses, bacteria, fungi or bird antigens that poses a threat to the health of living organisms, primarily that of humans. Carcinogenic, a substance either known to cause cancer or classified as having a high probability of causing cancer. Competent, a person having adequate and sufficient training, qualifications and experience to be capable of carrying out a task safely and efficiently. Consequence, the outcome of an incident. A single incident can generate multiple outcomes, and the initial consequence of an incident can escalate. Control measure, any actions and activities taken to prevent and eliminate a hazard and risk or reduce it to an as low as reasonably practicable level. Control plan consists of all steps necessary to protect employees from exposure to a substance or system and the procedures required to monitor employee exposure and their health to hazards such as chemicals, materials or substances and other types such as noise and vibration. Corrective action, any steps that are taken to remove the causes of an existing non-conformity or undesirable situations. The corrective action process is designed to prevent the reoccurrences of non-conformities or undesirable situations. Emergency plan, a systematic instruction and procedures that clearly define or detailed how, when and by whom before and after the time an anticipated emergency event occurs. Flash point, the minimum temperature at which a liquid gives off vapor in sufficient concentration to form an ignitable mixture with air near the surface of the liquid. I hope ये कंटेंट आपके लिए यूजफुल होगा। थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग और प्लीज चैनल को सब्सक्राइब भी कर दीजिए। बाय बाय।